Hi everyone, thank you for visiting my introduction tutorials on creating augmented reality and virtual reality games. I would be going over the initial steps of what software needed to be downloaded in order to create your own VR game, as this is my first class. So let's get started. Firstly, I've made a structure that will demonstrate what software you need to download as well as which plugins you need to download afterwards. The first step is to download Epic Game Launcher. I assume that those who have worked with Unreal Engine are familiar with Epic Launcher and Epic Marketplace. For those who are, I'm providing a PDF link so they may learn more. So let's download Epic Games from Epic Games website. Open Google Chrome or Safari. Whichever browser you are using, type Epic Games. Click on the first link. And then you will get this Epic Game page on your screen. Now click on the Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine page will appear. Now let's get to know about Unreal Engine. For the people who don't know about Unreal, please check on the link PDF below. So basically, Unreal Engine is Unreal Engine is a powerful and widely used game development engine created by Epic Games. It provides a comprehensive suite of development tools for creating video games, simulations, architectural visualization, virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, experiences. Here are some key features and aspects of Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine is known for its advanced graphics capabilities, providing high-quality visual effects, realistic lighting, and detailed environments. Physics and simulation. Blueprint visual scripting. Cross-platform development. Virtual reality, VR support. Community and marketplace. Free to use. So right now we are going to download Unreal Engine version 5.3. Which is the latest version of Unreal Engine. Do above the H, click on the link download. And you will able to download Epic Games Launcher first. Click on Download Launcher and choose the location in your disk. And right now I placed it into my C drive. And it started to download. I have already downloaded the launcher and kept in my desktop, so let me bring it to middle. So right now we need to open the launcher in order to sign into Epic Launcher community. You can sign in using different account using Facebook, Google, Epic Launcher, Xbox, and Steam. So I choose Google, so it is an easy way to log in to Epic Games. So I click on Google and now I need to sign in using Google account. After that, please enter your date of birth and your display name, and click Continue. Now verify the captcha and click on Verify. Take your time. And once done, you have to verify your email with Epic Launcher. You will receive an email OTP in your linked email coin and paste the OTP into the Verify code box. Now you are officially Epic Launcher community member. Now go to Unreal Engine and you can see Unreal Engine page on the left side. You can see Store, Library, and Unreal Engine version. If you click on Samples, you can get the sample project file which help you understand different concept of game creation and visualization. On the marketplace you can download different Unreal Engine modelers, game object and script and plugins. Later on the session I will provide you what we need to download in order to develop a virtual reality game. Now click on Unreal Engine and now you see the old version of Unreal Engine which is 5.1. Currently we need to go with Unreal Engine 5.3, so click on the plus symbol. And now you will get the new version of Unreal Engine. So just click Install, and it will get downloaded. Accept the terms and condition and click Download. Choose the file location where you need to download. The Unreal Engine, make sure you remember the folder name. This is for the later session. And click Install and let's wait for the Epic Launcher to download the Unreal Engine. Let's take a small break. Now you can see the Unreal Engine has been downloaded. So Unreal Engine have also downloaded the Bridge plugin. The importance of this plugin I will teach you on later session. Now click on Launcher and wait for Unreal Engine to compile shaders. This will take time depending on systems. Now I have opened the Unreal Engine and made the game engine open. Now you see is a screen from Unreal Engine. Try to make sure Unreal Engine is not used to build virtual reality games, but also for other production purposes, visualization, automobile, production, Windows games, and others. Since we are creating virtual reality games, we have to head towards games, and over there you need to click on virtual reality game template and click on it. After that you need to add your project name and make sure put a project name with underscore so that it can be easily be understood. And then choose the file location where you want to add this project. Make sure you remember the location and click Create. The Unreal Engine compile shaders. It will take few minutes depending on systems and configuration. Now your first project file is open for your first virtual reality game session. On the next class, I will teach you how to manage Flow structure and also how to import models FBX and GLTF into the game engine. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you everyone. This is Nithin signing out. Have a wonderful day.